Yo, what's going on, guys? Your boy AMAR here. We're doing another tire review. We got some Goodyear Wrangler Fortitude HT. Sorry about that, guys. The sticker kind of ripped off a little bit, but you know what it is. 285 45 22 OEM size on Cadillac Escalades, GMC pickups, Chevy pickups, half tons, Tahoe Suburbans. You got it. So we got 285 45 22. All right, let's get down to it. Right off the bat, it's an asymmetrical tread pattern. There's no inside-outside. It can be put on any way whatsoever. We've got nice open grooves there, an everyday decent Mon Pa tread pattern. Plenty of sipes. We also got thick sipes here for water evacuation once the water runs out on the sides. Okay, we've got some nice cross hatches here. This is going to be a very, very quiet riding tire. It's got a straight rib block design in the middle, which will definitely hug the road. Let's just look at this tread nice and close. Beautiful, rated over 60, actually I think it's rated over 100,000 K right from Goodyear. Let's get down to the sidewall here. One thing I love about Goodyear, they got really, really nice sidewalls. Well, not much of a sidewall in one way because it's kind of low profile, but not that much either. So Fortitude HT and all raised letters here. The Goodyear got raised letters, so we got Wrangler. Okay, we got DOTs right there, fresh tires, 2818 of this year. So brand spanking new. It's a tubeless tire. Let's see. It's also got extra load. Maximum PSI, 50 cold PSI. There's a size right there, 114H, M&S rated. Right there, ladies and gentlemen, bang, made in the USA. So Goodyears are a very, good quality made tire, depending on which tire tread pattern you get. Goodyear Wrangler SRAs, which come OE on Dodge Ram pickups, I'm not a fan of, as you see in my prior videos. But this one definitely got a lot more technology, much more durable build, and much more better rubber characteristics and properties, all right? Made by the Goodyear Rubber and Tire Company. Most of the tires are made in Akron, Ohio, which is a famous area for a lot of tire plants recently. So these tires are being mounted balanced on the vehicle. I believe are selling for $243 each put on. All right, we use Hunter balancing. So like I said, great tire. Compared to not very many tires are made in this size. I think you got Goodyear, Firestone Destination LE2. You obviously got the Bridgestone Dueler HL lenses, which are very, very pricey. And I think a Pirelli. But beyond that, for what you're paying for the value, this is a very, very great tire. Amazing quality for the value. So you really can't go wrong with that, guys. So follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter at Hillyards Trimlines. My personal account at AMAR SIHRA. I'm right here. We've got the Goodyear Wrangler Fortitude HTs. Check them out. Read a line online at Goodyear. Read the POP material, but I think it's definitely well over 100,000 K. Thanks for watching, guys. If you got any questions, DM below. 905-528-3500. Let's get it done.